Creating your first sign. To begin creating your first sign, you can choose to explore the Templates tab on the left-hand side and choose which one you'd like. Or you can edit an existing template that was custom-made for your business, which can be found in the Templates folder of your My Content tab. You can quickly change a template by replacing the image or video in the template. To change stock imagery, click Images or Videos on the left and type your search term into the box at the top. Once you've chosen your imagery, drag and drop your desired replacement onto the existing content and adjust as needed. To edit the text, simply click onto the text boxes and update the text with the changes required.